What do you do when it seems like suffering just won't stop? What do you do when it feels like your pain doesn't have a point? What do you do when your weaknesses keep getting worse no matter what you try? Maybe you've taken a knockdown in your finances lately. Maybe it's with your kids. Maybe your marriage. Maybe your health. Maybe some other arena of life. You're laying on the mat, gasping, and you don't know what to do next. People ask you, "How are you?" You say, "I'm fine." But you're not fine. And they'll never know that. Why? Because we're people. We struggle. We suffer. We bleed. We cry. And if you think true strength means never showing weakness, you see, I'm here to tell you, you're wrong. You're wrong because it's the opposite. You're going to get depressed sometimes. You're going to have weeks where you don't feel like eating, where gravity feels like it's working overtime, like it's scared of getting laid off, and you can barely lift your fork to your mouth. And then you're going to have a choice, a real choice. Give up or keep going. Give up or get up. It's like you have to save your own life, because, trust me, nobody else can do it for you. So we do what we have to do, no matter what it is. We all struggle. We all know what it is to hurt. We all know what it is to feel pain in our heart. And you know what? It's okay. That's just part of life. As much as I hate some of the places depression has dragged me down to, in a lot of ways, I'm grateful. Yeah, it's put me in the valleys, but only to show me there are peaks. Yeah, it's dragged me through the dark, but only to remind me that there is light. Life is not always good. Life is not always rosy, but life is worth living. When you fail, you try again, and again, and again. Hold on to that fundamental quality of faith. Have faith. Because on the other side of your pain, there is something good. I believe this is your beginning, but it does not have to be your end. Just because you are here right now, in this moment, in these circumstances, does not mean life ends for you here. This might be a page in your life. It might even be a whole chapter. But listen closely. This ain't the book, baby. You're not finished writing yet. I need you to get busy living. Are you hearing me? I need you to get busy living. There is still time. As long as there is breath in your nostrils, as long as you can wake up in the morning, you're still in the game. And if you're in the game, and there's still time on the clock, then guess what? You can still win. The last chapter of your story has not been written yet. The fact that you're here today is proof that the devil hasn't been able to destroy you. You're in the darkest place of your life right now. Yes, you are. But hold on. Don't give up. Don't quit. You're at the darkest point, but if you could just shift the angle, look at it differently, you'd realize something powerful. Beauty can grow from death. Let me ask you, are you in a storm, or are you just in between two miracles? You take those terrible events in your life and you create a new story of triumph. We've got to become something new. We take the trauma, we take the pain, and we allow it to shape the person we want to be. What if I told you there's greatness on the other side of your darkness? That there is joy on the other side of your pain? What if I told you you already have everything you need to survive your storm? This storm will not take you out. I know you've been tired. I know it's been hurting. I know it feels lifelong. Maybe it's an addiction. Maybe it's fear about how much longer you'll have a job, or when you'll get one, or when all of this will be over. But hear me, you're not going to die in this tile. You're going to make it. In fact, you're going to be better. Right now, I want you to look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am a survivor. Listen to me, you can get through this. Speak life into that thing, whatever it is, whatever is frustrating you. For real, you feel like, I can't go through another day like this, I can't handle it, I can't take it. But listen closely. Say it with me. Breathe life into your situation. Whatever your circumstances are, say it. I can. I can get through this. And now say, I will. I will get through this. And finally, I must. I must.